Hello, in this video we will show you how you can access the Oxford Academic Journals off campus. On the library guide page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just scroll down until you find the Oxford Academic Journals logo and just click on that. Now on the Oxford Journals page, just click on the top logo to access this resource. You should now find yourself on the Oxford Academic Journals main page. On the top right of the screen, you will see a human icon. Just click on that. And from the options available now in the drop-down menu, just click on the Sign In for your institution button just underneath Institutional Access. You will now be asked to find your organisation. Where it asks you to type in the name of your organisation, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. Or finally, you'll be asked for your username and password. Just enter in your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the login button.